You just murdered your dreams, and not even feeling ashamed of that. Look, I'm not here to give you another motivational speech or tell you to just work harder. I'm making this video because I looked at the calendar today and realized something that kind of made my stomach drop. We are 6 months into the year, 180 days are just gone. And if you're anything like I used to be, you're probably looking at the goals you wrote down in January and realizing you haven't just fallen behind. You've completely abandoned them. And I know exactly how that happens because I lived it. You don't wake up one day and decide to fail. It happens slowly. It happens every day at 6:30 a.m. in the morning when your alarm goes off, your room is freezing, and you promise yourself you'll get to work tomorrow. Then you grab your phone, you spend the next 2 hours scrolling through self-improvement videos, saving them to your watch later playlist, convincing yourself that watching someone else talk about discipline counts as being productive. But let's be honest for a second. You've convinced yourself that you just haven't found the right strategy yet or the perfect mentor to guide you out of the dark. So you watch another video and another. But the truth is, the answer isn't in the next video. It's actually waiting for you in the exact thing you're running from. That is silence. We escape into our screens because the moment the room goes quiet, we're forced to sit with our own thoughts. And that discomfort hurts. It doesn't give you a dopamine hit. But if you never give your mind space to breathe, you'll never actually figure out why you keep breaking promises to yourself. Still, you have a choice right now. You can keep hiding behind the screen, or you can accept the reality of where you are and fix it. If you're tired of feeling like you're sleepwalking through your own life, I want you to try something with me. Just a simple 7-day experiment to reset your brain and build back your self-trust. No complicated habits, just 5 straightforward changes. Rule 1, the information block. For the next 7 days, I want you to completely stop searching for how to start because you already know what needs to be done. Pick the one task you've been putting off the most, the one that gives you anxiety just thinking about it, and do it first in the morning, without looking for a tutorial or a warm-up. Rule 2, purge the distractions. Clean your environment. Make a mental list of every app, every notification, or even every habit that easily pulls you away from your focus, and just put them out of reach for a week. A quiet environment makes it 10 times easier to stay on track. Rule 3, the end-of-day reflection. Give yourself just 20 or 30 minutes every evening to just sit down with a notebook. No music, no phone. Just review your day. Write down what went well, honestly look at the mistakes you made, and plan exactly what you're going to do tomorrow. Having a clear schedule before you go to sleep stops your brain from panicking in the morning. Rule 4, keep the silent promises. Every time you tell yourself you're going to wake up early or study and then you don't do it, you're subtly training your brain to believe that your own words don't matter. You start viewing yourself as someone who gives up. You have to rebuild that trust, and the only way to do it is by showing up precisely when your brain is making excuses. Rule 5, force physical momentum. And finally, just focus on moving. Don't worry about the perfection or result. Whether it's going to the gym, studying a difficult subject, or working on that project, just start. Even a messy, imperfect attempt is infinitely better than spending another evening drowning in regret. Look, if you slip up over the next 7 days, don't hate yourself for it, but don't make excuses either. Just be honest and say this out loud to yourself. Today, I chose comfort over my future, and try again tomorrow. I don't care about getting millions of likes on this video, I just want to see a few people actually change their trajectory. If you're ready to put the phone down, disappear for a week, and actually do the work, leave a comment saying "Ghost Mod" so I know who is serious. Otherwise, enjoy the next self-improvement video.